Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add air to your tires in your Rivian R1S. So that tutorial is coming up. So what we want to do is take out the package from the sub trunk is where I found mine when we got the car. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be an air compressor and multiple pieces to pump up different things. You want to look for this piece. This is the air tire pump. So I'll pull that sleeve back and then push the piece in and it'll snap into place. And you'll see that the sleeve goes back up and that's how you know it's locked. So the bottom piece is the compressor. The top is the 120 and the 12 volt. So slide that open and then put the other side of the compressor on. So again, same thing, you want to pull the sleeve back and then push it on and the sleeve will snap into place. So you'll know when it's locked in. Then what we want to do is this plus and minus is to adjust the PSI to whatever you want to set it at. So for the 21s, it's 48 PSI, so that's what I'm going to set it at. And then what you want to do is go ahead and put the other side on the tire. So take off your cap. And then all you need to do is just push the piece straight on and you'll hear some of the air come out. And then you'll know that once it stops, you'll know that it's set correctly and it'll tell you the PSI on the actual gauge here. So it's at 47. I'm going to push that play button, which is on, and it'll automatically stop when it gets to 48. Funny enough, it stopped at 49 on this, so I don't know how accurate this gauge is. I would recommend a tire pressure gauge, is what I have here. So push that button and go ahead and pull off the air compressor and then use your tire gauge to test the actual PSI. And so after testing it, 48 PSI is what I'm looking for. You can always let out air with your tire gauge if you want. And that's all there is to it. So then go ahead and take the air compressor off. So pull the sleeve back and then the air compressor should come off the tubing. And that's basically it. That's how you pump up your tires. So just to let you know, this air compressor does do all four tires, including the front passenger, which is the farthest away from the actual compressor. So you've got everything you need, right with your car. So that's how you pump up tires, and hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, let me know below, and thanks for watching.